This video is a quick overview on paying sales tax. QuickBooks can help you track and pay sales tax, but you'll need to perform a few steps to do this. You'll need to set up sales tax preferences, create sales tax items and rates, tell QuickBooks which items and which customers are taxable or non-taxable, set up your tax agency as a vendor, and set up a payment schedule. And other videos covered how to do those things. You'll also need to enter the opening balance for your sales tax if you currently owe sales tax to your tax agency. But that's only if you had an opening balance before you started using QuickBooks. And you'll need to charge tax on sales when you sell taxable items to taxable customers. You'll need to use a sales tax item so QuickBooks can calculate the taxes. And then you'll need to pay your tax agency at regular intervals. When your sales taxes are due, you can run reports to see how much you owe. So there are two preferences for sales tax that have not been covered in the other videos. So let's open sales tax preferences. Go to the Edit menu and choose Preferences, and go to Sales Tax, and go to Company Preferences. So for this option, you would select the appropriate basis for your sales tax reports, accrual or cash. And some agencies require payment on accrual and others on a cash basis, so you'll need to check with your tax agency. Also, you'll need to choose when you pay sales tax. If you don't know when that is, you'll have to check with your tax agency. If you collect a lot of sales tax, the agency may want you to pay monthly. If you collect a little, the agency may want annual payments. So let's click OK. So you've assigned your items and customers a tax status. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the sales taxes for taxable customers on invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. And just a note here, the customer tax code takes precedence over an item tax code. So if a non-taxable customer purchases an item that is taxable, the item will not be taxed for that customer. Whenever you make a taxable sale, the amount of the tax appears in the sales tax payable account. So QuickBooks provides a streamlined way to manage your sales taxes. So click Manage Sales Tax on the home page. After collecting the taxes, you'll need to remit them to your tax agencies at certain intervals. You can run reports to help you fill out sales tax forms. And when you're ready to pay the tax, click Pay Sales Tax. We'll change the date to the end of the month because we pay monthly. And press Tab, and QuickBooks shows you the amount of tax that is due. So you would just select each item you want to pay and click OK. Select which tax items you want to pay, and if you want to print the checks, select To Be Printed to put the checks in the printing queue. Click OK, and close the Manage Sales Tax window.